All right, Bourbon and Birds back here, 2021. These are all of our birds in our coop. We have 170 total. And to think 5 years ago when we started just inside this coop, we only did this 50, right?
36. Oh, yeah, 36.
36? Okay. 5 short years later, here we are, 170 birds.
Every year they doubled, just about, up until this year.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's only 130, about 30,
We had
33 more than last year.
Yeah. Last year we did 136. This year we're at 170. So, but went to Elk Ridge Game Farm. It's like we did previous years. They always give us a good clutch of birds with good DNA, and
Mike's awesome.
yeah, Mike and his wife and his kids are just amazing. So highly recommend if anybody's looking to purchase game birds.
That one looked a little rough from the drive.
Uh-oh. We had a box spill over in the back of the car. Now we'll start cutting these open. And these birds start to explore their new surroundings. Here they are.
Just trying to open them all to let the air out right now. Whoa, that one didn't want to stay in there long.
So we'll open up all of our boxes, get the birds kind of adjusted here. We'll see you guys in a little bit.